Hey guys, it's your boy Slim, and today I will show you the quick and easy way how to make your video black and white. This black and white effect has been around since the dawn of television and pretty much the beginning of recorded moving images. Some movies that have used this effect include The Bicycle Thief, Citizen Kane, and 12 Angry Men, which are all great films. So, using this technique will make your videos one step closer to these cinematic masterpieces. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open up your internet browser and purchase Premiere Pro. So let me just go here. I've already searched for it. That's why it is in my history. Alright, so first thing you want to do is download Premiere Pro. So you can get a 7-day trial. You can also torrent or crack the program, but people don't know this. It's also possible to purchase the program. Okay, so I've already acquired the program, so let's get into the program. Okay, so what you need to do is double click on the Premiere Pro icon on your desktop. Now don't click it once, because if you click it once, watch what happens. See? Nothing. You're going to go click, click in rapid succession. You can't just go click and then click. You got to go click, click. There you go. See, that's how you open Premiere Pro. A lot of people don't know that. Alright, so let it load. Wait for it to load. Okay, and so you end up being on this screen. So when you first open Premiere Pro, you will be on the Learn screen, but because I'm a professional and I've used this before, I'm on the Work screen. Okay, so now this screen is called the Open screen. So this is the Open screen. This is how it's set out. Unlike that. No, it's unlike open screen. That doesn't sound right, does it? Let me close it. Okay. Start screen. Let's call it start screen. Okay. Okay. Sorry, that's kind of threw me off guard. Okay, I'm going to open. Remember, not one click, but 2 clicks. Click, click. I'm going to open up Premiere Pro, and let's go to the start screen. Yeah, that sounds better. Okay, cool. Alright, so let's open up this. Okay, great. And so therefore you're going to click on the new project button. So what this does, this is creating a file type that is a .proj. Think of this like a .doc file from Microsoft Word, but for videos. So you'll revisit this anytime you want to make further changes to your video, unless it's a different video, which will be a different proj file. .proj file. Okay, so give your project a name. So I'm gonna, for the purpose of this, I'm gonna call it black and white. Actually, let's make those capitals. Capitals. Yep, cool. Let's make it all capitals. Actually, why not? Let's do it. Black and white. Okay, so I'm gonna save it to the desktop just so it's easier. Okay, great. Thank you. Okay, and there's this stuff here. The additional settings, but no one really uses them. Like, they're just for show, so you can just ignore that. Okay. Don't worry about that. It's not useful for this one, so click no. If you get that, forget about it. It doesn't do anything. Okay, so here we are now in Premiere Pro. I'm not going to go into all the other features of the program, as that would just take too long. So let's just get straight into it. Okay, so first thing you want to do is add a video. How exciting. You're going to make this video black and white in no time. Okay, so you can either drag and drop a video into this area, or you can right click in the box and click import. And to clarify, that's right click on the mouse, not in this box. I mean, you can right click on the right side of the box, but you can also right click on the left side of the box, the top side of the box, and the bottom side of the box. Anywhere in the box is fine. Okay, so right click and go import. Okay, for the sake of this, I have already where is it? I have already just bookmarked where my stuff will be. Okay, so here is some footage. Let's just do one simple one of a clock tower. Alright, there it is. Okay, now once the footage is in, you need to make a sequence. So the best way to do it is to right click on the same area as before and go new item, sequence, and select what you want your sequence to be. So click on this and you pick the settings of what you want your sequence to be. So think of a sequence like a table that you will cut your food on. I mean, you need to make sure the table suits what you're going to be preparing your food for. In this case, the food is video, and the food needs to match the table. Therefore, the video must match or be similar to the sequence. But a great way to get this spot on is to click cancel. Didn't see that coming, and just simply drag and drop it in, and your table will match your food. Fantastic. Okay, so let's watch this video just to see what we're dealing with. Let me just put it on mute. We don't need to hear any of this. We'll come up anyway. All right, cool. Bit shaky, but you know what? Whatever. Okay, great. So now what you need to do is go into the effects panel. The effects. So I have my own custom workspace. The one you'll most likely see is this one. So let's just go here, shall we? Okay, so you want to go effects, and then you want to type in Lumetri. Okay, so that's L for llama, U for udder, M for McDonald's, E for evening, T for tricycle, R for rocket, and I for intersection. It doesn't have to be capitals, I just had caps lock on. But then you type in color, so that's C for cat, O for oolong tea, L for liver, O for orange, and R for ratatouille. Okay, great. So get this, the effect here, and what do? Well, you just drag it on. Boom. Drag and drop it on. So now if we watch it, you'll notice nothing happens because we haven't made any changes to the effect. Okay, but that's okay. So now go into the effect controls up here. Go down to basic correction. Scroll down to saturation. See, it's 100, bam, 0. 0, and look at that, black and white. So saturation is like the intensity of the color. Really intense color, no color. Black, oh, there we go. Black and white. And that's it, simple. So if you want a bit of bonus tip, you can, bonus tip is the contrast, look at that. Bit more contrast. It just makes the blacks blacker and the whites whiter, giving it a more punchier effect, just like the movies mentioned a minute ago. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, comment, and subscribe if you like. Thank you, and I hope you have a great, prosperous life.